Right. This is the Rolleicord that I got. I finally got some pictures back. Don't have them all, but this is the pictures I took with it. Got that was inside, set at on 100. This one was set on 100. Set on 100. This was set on 100 too. This is inside under a fluorescent light, so it wasn't a lot of light. This was set on 300 outside using 400 film. And this was 100 inside. And this is me taking a picture with the camera in a mirror. It didn't, when I shot at I was using 400 film, and when I shot at 300 inside, the pictures didn't turn out too good. Underexposed, I guess, is what he was saying. And then there was a couple times that I forgot it was an automatic camera, and if you look hard you can see my daughter in the image and a bird cage. That was shot at 300 inside a Christmas tree. Didn't turn out too well. And again, me. And it's a couple pictures of me. You can see my shirt, two different places, because I forgot to advance the film. But it works great. I mean, that that picture turned out awesome. I mean, I was surprised I actually got it to, I don't know if this camera will show it, but focusing was easier than I thought. And I took some pictures with my SLR, and it's hard to reproduce this. I mean, you got to go in and get the shadowing right, and it's just a neat camera. Thought people would be interested in seeing. These are just actual pictures. I mean, they're not, I didn't digitally get them on the computer yet. And they were done on a matte finish Fuji film. But you see right here, I had this set on 300 for outside, and on inside I had it set on 300 a few times, but underexposed using 400 film. And then when I set it on 100, it took some really good pictures. I'm going to try again next time. I'm going to put it on 50 and cock it, and I'm going to take it at 50 and see, because there's a big difference between, say, this and this. So I'm pretty tickled. Wicked camera. A lot more expensive than shooting with a SLR camera and just printing. But you can't get that look. I mean, it looks like, it's just freaking cool. See, underexposed, and then done right. It's cool.